So when it comes to building an MVP, speed definitely matters. But what also matters is what you end up building. And it's not enough to build something that works. You have to build something that actually resonates with your target users, something that actually speaks to them in the way that you want to speak to them. And to understand whether what you're building actually speaks to the users you're targeting, you have to first understand what your value proposition is. And only then can you really build something that actually speaks to your users. Your users don't really care how quickly you launch. Of course, you can't take months to launch something and to update it. Weeks are really the timeline I've been following. But when it comes to building something, you can't just release as quickly as possible features thinking that because I released quickly, I've somehow improved the product. Which is why the concept of a minimum viable product can be problematic, especially the word viable, which is something that I actually came across when I was watching this video by Weebly's co-founder David Rusenko in his YC talk about product market fit. He talked about the term minimum remarkable product. Is what you've built remarkable to your target users? And if not, it doesn't matter if your product is viable. What matters is whether it's remarkable or not to your target users. Does it speak to your target users? Is it something different? Is it something that they would want to use? And is it something that really addresses a need that they have and solves a problem that they have? So when it comes to building an MVP, don't rush the process. It's important to build quickly, to release quickly, and to test whatever you've built with your target users. But it's also important to step back and think clearly about what you're building and whether it actually speaks to your target users. So that's the truth behind building an MVP. It's not all about building as quickly as possible. Speed is important, but also make sure that what you're building actually has some sort of relation to what you think would appeal to your target users. Don't just release something that is bog standard and is the same as everything else. Just because it's viable doesn't mean it's going to really resonate with your target users. Build something that's different. Build something that's remarkable. Hence the term minimum remarkable product.